What up, everybody? It's your boy Young Fizz, aka Mr. Dope Status on Instagram, and welcome back to another video. So you can catch me normally making machine videos, but today we're going to be talking about the studio panels. Are they worth the investment? Let's find out. Online, I find some confusion between soundproofing and sound treatment. So what is the difference between soundproofing and sound treatment? Well, soundproofing is any means to block sound from entering or exiting a room. For example, professional recording facilities. On the other hand, acoustic treatment is improving the acoustics of a room. For example, treating a room with acoustic panels. The key to having a great mix is a great recording, and that starts with the room that you're in. Foam panels are used to reduce some of the echoes in a room. It does this by absorbing some of the sound waves. It is far from being the best method, but if you're looking for a quick solution, this would be the way to go. Not only does it make your room look good, but more importantly, it enhances the way it sounds. The foam panels I purchased are 12 by 12 and have a thickness of 2 inches. I will leave a link in the description below. The thicker the foam, the better the absorption. Keep in mind that this will be useful for high frequencies, reducing the echoes in a room. The key is to strategically place them in a room by finding your first reflection points. So my panels arrived in a vacuum sealed bag. I then soaked them in water for about 15 seconds, and then I was able to put them in the dryer after squeezing them out. This process helped me get rid of that new foam smell. I stuck Gorilla Tape to the panels and 4 poster command strips, one in each corner, to place them on the wall. For the most part, the Gorilla Tape worked, but if I was to do it again, I would have went with something stronger, as some panels were falling. Now that's my panels, so let's do a test. Alright, so here we are in the primary suite. And as you can hear right now, my voice is probably already echoing, but we're going to use this measurement microphone just to ensure it's accurate. Let's go ahead and try it out. So now that I'm back in my secondary room, let me go ahead and conduct the test. I'll let you guys be the judge. Are foam panels worth the investment? After doing this test, I would say yes, if you're looking to reduce those room flutter echoes from entering your microphone. If you found this video to be helpful, please hit the like button and consider subscribing. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.